Hey everybody, we're here with our 100 subscriber giveaway contest. We're going to do a random of all the names that were entered. We had 44 names that were entered out of 100 subscribers, so pretty happy with that. Thanks so much to everybody who entered. You had to tell us your favorite player and then tell us your favorite Thanksgiving food. So we want to say thank you to you all and happy Thanksgiving to you. We're posting this video on the day before Thanksgiving. And so is Wednesday, the 22nd of November. We're hoping you guys have a great Thanksgiving. So we're going to random this 5 times, these names, and we're going to give away for the first prize. It's going to be a box of 2017 Topps Chrome Update. The mega boxes from Target. We're going to give one of those away, the first place winner. Second place winner will get a rack pack of 2017 Prizm football. And third place, 5 to 10 cards of their favorite team, either football or baseball. So here we go. We're going to do this 5 times. And whoever comes in the first, second, third, and the 5th one, they're going to be the winners.
Yep, so I'm just going to show all the names here. I'm put everybody that entered in this randomizer. We're going to random it 5 times. So here we go. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. And number 5. Diamond Master with first place, Sam Koo with second place, and Jeff's baseball cards with third place. So,
all right, congrats to the winners. So we'll be sending out these prizes, but in order to do so, we need you to get in touch with us. We'll be putting our email address below. So winners, please email us your name, address, contact information. We will get these prizes out to you next week sometime. All right, thanks so much, guys. Once again, have a happy Thanksgiving. Maybe you're going to be doing some card shopping on Black Friday. We know that some of the online retailers have that, so definitely have fun. If you're going to just spend time with family, friends, or go out to the mall shopping, whatever the case may be, have a great time. We're glad to be part of this community and are thankful for the 100 subscribers we have. We're looking to grow the channel even more, and so we'll be doing another giveaway probably at 250 subscribers or so. So we look forward to that. All right, well, take care. Have a good holiday weekend, and we'll be posting some videos soon. Have fun collecting.